beach day. So today I'm going to the beach with some friends and I'm on my way to go to one of my friend's house. So from there we can go to the beach. So I'm gonna vlog it all and it's gonna be a fun and fresh day. And when you leave me alone, I'm like a stray without a home.
It's your time. Come on, grab your friends. We'll go to very distant lands. Take the dog and bring the time.
We out here. Convertible hours.
Alicia is her. Alicia is her.
Oh, can you push your seat up a little bit?
Hi, Sophia. Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah.
I need banana peppers. Oh, she just hung up on me. She just said, and coffee. There's this girl and she's like, let's see how many quarters I can hold right here. She like broke her shoulder. Stripes on my ass, so they call us pussy ticket. Fucking on a skimming ass, rich ass. You a dick?
Guess where we is? We made it to the beach. This is the lunch. And these are my hosts. We're looking for her friends to meet up with them, and then we're gonna find a spot. It's gonna be fun and fresh. Missing Wait, can you guys do one of those cute, like, picking you up and swinging you around?
Yeah.
That's cute.
That's so cool. That's so cool.
Stop being dramatic! Get in!
Oh my god! Oh yeah, of course!
I'm so fucking scared that they're gonna like take pictures in the water.
He's breaking.
Wait, you gotta be.
You're being a hoe.
Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
We're leaving the beach now.
Depressing.
Bye to the boys.
The boys.
Bye bye. Now we have to go look for
They're right there.
Now we're at McDonald's getting chicken nuggets and whatever. Oh, it's a salad.
I did get a salad.
She's a vegetarian. My hair be looking all sorts of whack. But anyway, I just realized we're in public. Who cares? This is terrible lighting, right? Who cares? I'll show you our food. And then I have to go home because I got a family barbecue thing.
I'm so happy that everyone got along. Yeah. I mean, like, they're guys, so like.
And we're about to eat our chicken nuggets.
You and Angela.
Picnic.
Fucked up. It used to be so hard to see. Yeah, loving is easy when everything's perfect. Missing someone. I am sad and so
What are you doing?
Why does she look so confused?
You just have like 20 seconds or so, we'll shake it. It was all water.
You're welcome.
Jesus.
Hydration. He's naked, guys.
I'm naked, guys.
I'm not. Neither am I. I'm editing this video right now, and I realized that, what are you doing? I'm editing the video right now, and I realized that I never did an outro, so here's, bye. Yeah, that was my beach day. It was very short because I didn't want to film the whole time because, like, I don't know, I just feel like filming in front of people is kind of awkward. Okay, there's gonna be a lot of summer videos coming out, I think, just because summer's coming up. So I'm gonna go to the beach more and, I don't know, just film random things that I end up doing. Also, these dudes, I tried taking out my blackheads and life is just not working out, man. Anywho, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Even though it's like 5 minutes long, but